in education success. Today we will discuss MCQs on input output devices used in computer graphics. User can make any change on image with the use of options are A non-interactive graphics, B interactive graphics, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct answer is interactive graphics. User can make any changes on image with the use of interactive graphics. Interactive graphic computer graphics uses various kind of input devices such as options are mouse, graphic tablet, joystick, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Interactive computer graphics uses various kind of input devices such as mouse, graphic tablet, joystick, light pen. How many components of interactive graphics are? Options are A 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 3. There are three components of interactive graphics. The interactive computer graphics involve which type of communication between computer and the user? Correct options are A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Correct answer is B 2. Interactive computer graphics involves two-way communication between computer and the user. What are the components of interactive computer graphics? Options are a digital memory of frame buffer, B, a television monitor, C, an interface or display controller, D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. The interactive computer graphics has the components like digital memory or frame buffer, we can say, television monitor, an interface or the display controller. The component of interactive computer graphics are options are A monitor, B display controller, C frame buffer, D all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Interactive computer graphic consists of three components, that is frame buffer or digital memory, second one a monitor like a home TV set without tuning and receiving electronics, and third display controller, or it is also called as a video controller. It passes the contents of the frame buffer to the monitor. Interactive computer graphics enables a user to customize the graphics in options are a computer way, B his own way, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct answer is his own way. Interactive computer graphics enables a user to customize the graphics in his own way. The component of interactive computer graphics are options are a light pen, B display unit, C mouse, D all of these. Correct answer is all of these. The basic graphical interactions are options are A pointing, B positioning, C both A and B, D none. Correct answer is C both A and B. The basic graphical interactions are pointing and positioning. Which one is the basic input device in GUI? Options are A mouse, B graphics tablet, C voice system, D touch panel. Correct answer is mouse. The mouse motion typically translates into options are A motion of a pointer on a display, B motion of a pointer on a CPU, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct answer is motion of a pointer on a display. Wireless mouse consists of dash parts. Options are A 1, B 2, C 3, D none of these. Correct answer is 2. Wireless mouse consists of two parts. The parts of wireless mouse is options are A cable and a mouse, B USB and a mouse, C CPU and a mouse, D none of these. Correct answer is USB and a mouse. The parts of wireless mouse is USB and a mouse. A wireless mouse works on options are A infrablue radiation, B infrared radiation, C infragreen radiation, D none of these. Correct answer is infrared radiation. A wireless mouse works on infrared radiation. Types of keyboard are options are A standard, B gaming and multimedia, C thumb size and numeric, D. All of these. Correct answer is all of these. Types of keyboards are standard keyboard, gaming and multimedia keyboard, thumb size and numeric keyboard. The light pen is an. Options are A. Graphics input device, B. Graphics output device, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is graphics input device. The light pen is an graphics input device. When used with a raster scan device, a light pen is most naturally a. Options are a locator, B. Valuator, C. Pick, D. Button. Correct answer is pick. When used with a raster scan device, a light pen is most naturally a pick. The functioning of a light pen is similar to mouse except that options are A. User can move the pointer, B. User can select objects on the display screen by pointing of object with the pen, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. The functioning of a light pen is similar to a mouse except that user can move the pointer and user can select objects on display screen by pointing to objects with the pen. A joystick is a. Options are graphics input device, B. Graphics output device, both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is graphics input device. A joystick is a graphic input device. Joysticks are often used to control. Options are A. Typing, B. Video games, C. Voice, D. None of these. Correct answer is video games. Joysticks are often used to control video games. A joystick and light pen is a. Options are A. Graphics input device, B. Graphics output device, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is graphic input device. A joystick and light pen is a graphics input device. The joystick often has dash fire buttons to trigger some kind of action. Options are A. 1, B. More, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. The joystick often has one or more fire buttons to trigger some kind of action. Joystick is consisting of a. Options are A. Pen, B. Stick, C. Microphone, D. None of these. Correct answer is stick. Joystick is consisting of a stick. Graphics tablet works on some principle as options are A. Light pen, B. Monitor, C. Projector, D. None of these. Correct answer is light pen. Graphics tablet works on same principle as light pen. Graphics output devices are. Options are A. Graphics tablet, mouse, B. Keyboard, C. Light pen joystick, D. None of these. Correct answer is none of these. Graphics output devices are none of these from the above. Which is the least expensive type of monitor? Options are A. CRT monitor, B. TFT monitors, C. LED monitors, D. LCD monitors. Correct answer is CRT monitors. These monitors are the least expensive type of monitors. The division displayed on screen into row and columns is known as. Options are A. Rubber band method, B. Gravity field, C. Dragging, D. Grid. Correct answer is grid. The division displayed on the screen into the row and column is known as grid. Display controller serves to pass the contents of. Options are A. Frame buffer to monitor, B. Monitor to frame buffer, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Frame buffer to monitor. Display controller serves to pass the contents of frame buffer to monitor. The display controller converts zeros and ones into. Options are A. TV monitor, B. Video signal, C. Electronics signal, D. None of these. Correct answer is video signal. The display controller converts zeros and ones into video signal. LCD means. Options are A. Liquid crystal displays, B. Liquid crystal data, C. Liquid chrome data, D. None. Correct answer is A. Liquid crystal displays. LCD means liquid crystal display. LCD are commonly used in options are A. Calculators, B. Portable, C. Laptop computers, D. All of these. Correct answer is all of these. LCDs are commonly used in calculators, portables and laptop computers. LCD is an dash device. Options are A. Emissive, B. Non-emissive, C. Gas discharge and D. None of these. Correct answer is non-emissive. LCD is an non-emissive device. The flat panel display is called an options are A. LCD monitor, B. LED monitor, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is LCD monitor. The flat panel display is an LCD monitor. Plasma panel is an device which is dash emissive. Options are A. Emissive, B. Non-emissive, C. Expensive, D. None. Correct answer is emissive. Plasma panel is an emissive device. Plasma panel converts options are A. Electrical energy into light, B. Light into electrical energy, C. Light into graphical energy, D. None of these. Correct answer is electrical energy into light. Plasma device converts electrical energy into light. Plasma panel have dash resolution. A options are high, B good, C both A and B, D low. Correct answer is both A and B. Plasma panel have high and good resolution. Plasma panel are also called as options are A. Liquid crystal displays, B. Gas discharge display, C. Non-emissive display, D. None of these. Correct answer is gas discharge display. Plasma panel also called as gas discharge display. Touch screen display is an options are A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Both A and B, D. Neither input nor output. Correct answer is both A and B. Touch screen display is an input device as well as output device. The touch screen displays shows the result of options are A. Computation, B. Accept command and data from the user for further computation, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. The touchscreen display shows the result of computation as well as it accepts the command and data from user for further computation. The flat panel displays are dash in appearance. Options are A. Flat, B. Curve, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is flat. The flat panel displays are flat in appearance. Printers produce output by either options are A. Impact method, B. Non-impact method, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. Printers produce output by either impact method or non-impact method. An example of impact print device is options are A. Electrostatic printer, B. Inkjet printer, C. Line printer, D. Laser printer. Correct answer is line printer. An example of impact device is line printer. Dash ink is used in laser printer. Options are A. Wet, B. Dry, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is dry. Dry ink is used in laser printer. The inkjet printer is mostly common due to their options are A. Low cost, B. Performance, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. The inkjet printer is mostly common due to their low cost and performance. An inkjet printer places dash of ink onto the paper to print an image. Options are A. Small droplets, B. Large droplets, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is small droplets. An inkjet printer places small droplets of ink onto the paper to print an image. The speed of printing in inkjet printer is options are A. Fast, B. Slow, C. Not fast nor slow, D. None of these. Correct answer is fast. The speed of printing in inkjet printer is fast. The cabinet in laser printer in which the ink is filled is called, options are A. Cartridge, B. Toner, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. The cabinet in laser printer in which the ink is filled is called either the cartridge or toner. Non-impact use various techniques to combine three color pigments dash to produce a range of color patterns. Options are A. Cyan, magenta and yellow, B. Cyan, white and black, C. Cyan, white and yellow, D. Black, magenta and yellow. Correct answer is A. Cyan, magenta and yellow. Non-impact use various techniques to combine three color pigments of cyan, magenta and yellow to produce a range of color patterns. The size of these dots in inkjet printer usually lies between, options are A. 50 to 60 microns in diameter, B. 20 to 30 microns in diameter, C. 30 to 40 microns in diameter, D. 10 to 20 microns in diameter. Correct answer is 50 to 60 microns in diameter. The size of the dot in inkjet printer usually lies between 50 to 60 microns in diameter. An example of black and white laser printer is, options are A. HP 4000, B. QMS, C. Both A and B, D. None. Correct answer is HP 4000. An example of black and white laser printer is here HP 4000. An example of color printer is, options are A. HP 4000, B. QMS, C. Both A and B, D. None. Correct answer is QMS. The example of the color printer is QMS. Which is a kind of impact printer? Options are A. Plotter, B. Dot matrix printer, C. Laser printer, D. Inkjet printer. Correct answer is dot matrix printer. Which produce good quality of hard copies? Options are A. Plotter, B. Dot matrix printer, C. Laser printer, D. Inkjet printer. Correct answer is inkjet printer. It produces good quality of hard copies. The function of a plotter is like a, options are A. Monitor, B. Projector, C. Printer, D. None of these. Correct answer is printer. The function of a plotter is like a printer. Plotter is capable of, options are A. Printing a map, B. Printing a similar images, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. Plotter is capable of printing a map and printing a similar images. Pen or inkjet plotters use the following devices. Options are A. Drum, B. Flatbed, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. Pen or inkjet plotters use following devices, either the drum or the flatbed. In the voice recognition system, the voice is converted into, options are A. Machine code, B. Byte code, C. Electrical signal, D. None of these. Correct answer is electrical signal. In the voice recognition system, the voice is converted into electrical signal. The voice recognition system takes the command from the user in form of, options are A. Writing, B. Voice, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is voice. The voice recognition system takes the command from the user in the form of voice. LCD stands for, options are A. Liquid core display, B. Liquid crystal display, C. Liquid crystal diagram, D. None of these. Correct answer is liquid crystal display. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. The LCD projector is the output device that is connected to the, options are A. Monitor, B. LCD, C. CPU, D. None of these. Correct answer is CPU. The LCD projector is the output device that is connected to the CPU. To get more videos of graphics and as well as other subjects of computer science, kindly like the channel and subscribe the channel. An LCD projector displays the contents in dash manner than a simple monitor. Options are A. Less flexible, B. More flexible, C. Inflexible, D. None of these. Correct answer is more flexible. An LCD projector displays the contents in more flexible manner than a simple monitor. The size of the projected contents in LCD projector depends on the distance between. Options are A. Projector and CPU, B. Projector and target screen, C. Projector and target memory, D. None of these. Correct answer is projector and target screen. The size of projected contents in LCD projector depends on the distance between projector and target screen. How many types of LCD projectors? Options are A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Correct answer is 2. There are two types of LCD projectors. The types of LCD projectors are options are A flat panel and laser, B normal and roof mounted, C mesh model and curve, D none of these. Correct answer is normal and roof mounted. The types of LCD projectors are normal projector and roof mounted projector. The roof mounted projector are Bluetooth dash enable, B disable, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct answer is enabled. The roof mounted projector are Bluetooth enabled. The roof mounted projector takes computer data via a cable through dash. Options are A serial port, B parallel port, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct answer is both A and B. The roof mounted projector takes computer data via a cable through serial port or parallel port. The roof mounted projector are also enabled to take options are A computer data, B printing data, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct answer is A computer data. The roof mounted projector are also enabled to take computer data. The roof mounted projector can connect two or more computers or laptops in options are A serial, B parallel, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct answer is parallel. The roof mounted projector can connect two or more computers or laptops in parallel. To get more videos of computer science subject, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.